Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. So let's start with respiration system in frog. We know that frogs respire on land and in water. It means they respire with the two method, by their skin in water and by their lungs in land. So now let's start with how frog respire in water. How respire how a frog can respire in a water medium by the help of their cutaneous respiration. Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Cutaneous means something like cutine part, means something called it as a skin part. In aquatic medium, skin act as a aquatic respiratory organ. How they perform? Simple guys. This is the water medium. Okay. So water medium contain what? Dissolved oxygen. And now this is our fish. I know this is not a fish. Assume now this is a fish. Okay. Now dissolve oxygen enter in fish by the help of diffusion. Okay. Same phenomena occurs in what? This is the water medium guys, and this is our frog. Okay. Now how they respire guys? In water medium there is lots of dissolved oxygen, so dissolved oxygen goes towards their higher concentration to lower concentration in frog's body. Okay, so oxygen moves towards the frog and CO2 moves outwards the what? From the outwards the frog body. Here CO2 will release by the method with diffusion. What is diffusion? Molecules moves to their high concentration to low concentration. In water media there is high oxygen, in a frog body there is less oxygen, so oxygen molecules move towards to their high concentration to low concentration, high concentration to low concentration. And inside the body of frog there is huge amount of CO2, so CO2 moves outward, high concentration to low concentration, high concentration to low concentration. This is the respiratory system of frog in water. Now let's move towards the where? On land. How they respire? They have their pulmonary respiratory system. They also include lungs guys. They have one pair lungs, pink colored sac like structure. Where they present in the upper part of the trunk, thoracic guys, thoracic chest. Air entered through the nostrils into the buccal cavity. They take, like us, they take air from the help of nostrils, and this air goes towards the nasal cavity or buccal cavity and then goes towards the lungs. Alright or not? Achha, during estivation and hibernation, this is the summer sleep and this is the winter sleep, gaseous exchange take place through skin. When during estivation and hibernation they don't perform their pulmonary respiration, they perform their cutaneous respiration. Now let's move towards the vasculatory system, vascular system of frog. Now amphibian have a well developed vascular system compared than to insecta. Okay. Frog have a lymphatic system also, definitely. The blood vascular system involve heart. They have guys heart, they have blood. What they have vessels, every kind of thing. Also they have lymph. Alright or not guys? This is the heart, three chambered heart. Yes guys, three chambered heart. Wait. Assume this is the three chambered heart. Two is atrium and one is ventricle. Clear? Two is atrium, this is the one, this is the two, and one is ventricle. It means frog have three chambered heart. Yes, same guys, same. According to us, same phenomena occurs, that this is the heart, there is a lung, and this is the whole part of the frog. Now when lungs, with the help of lungs, they take oxygenated, when they take oxygen, now this oxygen transferred into the where? Blood vessels. They carry, or blood vessels carry what? They carry blood with the presence of oxygen. Now they take oxygenated blood and they move towards the ventricles, and ventricles open and transfer their blood with the help of blood vessels, and this oxygenated blood flow with the whole body part of the frog. And now another vein system, they collect what? They collect CO2 from the blood, and this is the CO2 carry blood. Now this blood open into ventricle and they passes CO2 related blood again towards the lungs, and they exhale CO2 in surrounding. I'm writing here a chart. Wait. Lungs take oxygen transport into blood vessels carry O2 blood and moves towards atrium. Now atrium collect oxygenated blood and valves open. The blood moves towards ventricle. Now what happened next? Now ventricle transport oxygenated blood throughout the body part of frog with the help of blood vessels. Next, some blood vessels collect CO2 from body part and carry CO2 blood moves towards where to where? Moves towards another atrium and ventricle. Then ventricle passes CO2 blood towards lungs with the help of blood vessels. Now lungs carry CO2 and exhale outside. So I teach here respiratory system as well as vascular system. Remember this flow chart, okay? Guys, here a brief discussion about blood. I'm drawing here, guys. Where? Yes. Okay. Now blood. What is blood? This is the part of connective tissue. They carry oxygen, some molecules, hormone, etc. etc. They made up with two parts. Plasma part, 55% part is plasma in our blood, and another one is blood cells. Remaining 45% part is covered by blood cells. Okay. Now blood cells. What is the type of blood cells? RBC, WBC and platelets. Guys, in WBC, what is the importance of WBC, RBC and platelets? Start with RBC. They carry what? They carry oxygen and CO2. Overall, I must say they carry gases. And WBC and platelets, they important in what? They important in immune system. Yes, guys, they participate in our immune system. What is the special feature that RBC can carry oxygen and CO2? Because they have hemoglobin, and hemoglobin have what, guys? They have iron. So they can easily bind with 4 molecules of oxygen. And now what is the importance of WBC and RBC? WBC further divided into multiple parts like acidophils, basophils, neutrophils, lymphocytes, leukocytes. Okay, guys, what are they? Acidophils, basophils, neutrophils, they are granules. They are granulocytes. And lymphocyte and leukocyte, what are these? These are, guys, participate in immune system. Platelets also participate in immune system. So that's here, all things are here. Okay, I already discussed. And now next is what? Excretory system of what? Excretory system of frog, where we discuss this thing. Okay, this is our reproductive system. Okay, guys, listen to me carefully. Now listen to me carefully. I'm drawing here. Okay, I drawing here excretory system of frog. Okay, this is a chart of vascular system. I don't remove this thing. Now let's start with what? Let's draw excretory system of frog. This is the kidney part. Okay, sorry. Kidney part. Okay, this is the ureter part. This is the ureter part. One pair of ureter. And what are these? These are now open into urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. This is the what? Ureters. This is the what? Kidneys. And kidneys, what they have? They have, guys, they have what? They have nephrons. In each pyramid there are a huge number of nephron. If I zoom this thing, then they have nephron. They have nephron, guys. And what is the function of nephron? Some part is useful in filtration. Some part is useful in here to here, like DCT, like loop of Henle, like PCT, DCT. Proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, and this is the collecting duct. This is the what? Collecting duct. Some part is useful for absorption. What they absorb? Absorb some important amino acids, some important ions, alright, some important ion, minerals, amino acid, glucose, and some part is contributing in secretion. What kind of product they secrete? They are, look at here, guys, they are what? They are ureotelic, means they excrete what? They excrete urea. Okay, this part is glomerulus, this part is glomerulus, this part is Bowman's capsule, this part is proximal convoluted tubule, this part is loop of Henle, this part is distal convoluted tubule, and this part is collecting duct. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, they participate in filtration, means they get blood with waste. Okay, now waste product they filtrate and collect into Bowman's capsule, all kind of waste product. But what happen in PCT and DCT? If some important like H2O, like some ions, like some amino acid, glucose, in this filtrate, if they contain some water, ion, amino acid, glucose, so they can absorb. PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT, they absorb. But if urea is present in the waste product, if in this filtrate urea is present, then they release outside from the body. This is the whole mechanism of what? This is the whole mechanism of excretory system. Here guys, what? Nephron are present. Here nephron are present. They filter the blood, they absorb, filter the blood, they collect all kind of waste, and now in PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT, what they do? They absorb what? Important water. If this filtrate have important water, so they can absorb water. If this filtrate have some ions, important ions, so they can absorb important ion. If they have some important amino acid, they also absorb amino acid. If they have some important glucose molecule, then PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, what they do? They absorb glucose molecule. But if something is waste like urea, they release urea by the help of collecting duct. And now this collecting duct of all nephron will open into where? Ureters, and with the help of ureter, the waste product released from the body. So this is the mechanism of what? How they eliminate their waste product from the body, guys. Now guys, here is something advanced, like they have endocrine system. Yes guys, they have endocrine system, as well as they also have neural system. Yes guys, both. Endocrine system means they release hormone, it means they have glands. Neural system, it means they have some nervous system, brain, spinal cord like thing. Okay guys, glands, what are the glands in your body? What kind of glands are present? Pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic, adrenal, and gonads. We also have these things, and frog will also have these things. They have all kind of these glands, and they also have a highly organized nervous system. Yes guys, they have nervous system, they have brain. Look at here, CNS. What is the part of CNS? First, I already teach you in control and coordination chapter. Brain and spinal cord. According to CNS, they also have PNS. CNS, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Guys, peripheral nervous system is divided into two parts, cranial and spinal nerves. They have A and S. CNS, PNS, A and S system. And this system, they contain sympathetic and parasympathetic. Now, CNS, PNS, A and S. Now, brain is enclosed. Okay guys, brain, like us, their brain is also divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. They also have let me draw, then I raise this thing. Let me draw guys, let me draw. Okay, this is the part of what? Cranium part. This is the part of cranium part. There is lobes, there is lobe. Okay guys, this part is what? This part is forebrain, and some inside part is, we can call it as a midbrain, and this whole part, this and this, we call it as a hindbrain. Hind brain means they are cerebellum. This is the pons, this is the pons, and this is the medulla oblongata, and these further connected with the what? Spinal cord. Yes or not? Guys, listen to me. These forebrain is also divided into four lobes. This covering, we call it as a skull, bony covering. This is also divided into some lobes, like this is the frontal lobe, this is the partial lobe, this is the temporal lobe beside the ears, and this is the occipital lobe. Pons, cerebellum, and this is the what? This is the what? This is the part of medulla oblongata, and this is the what? Spinal cord. Now guys, look at here. Whatever I explain here now, all thing is written here. All our thing is written here. Look at here, olfactory lobes. Okay, I teach you everything. They have some sensory organ. According to cockroach, that they have antenna. They also have sense organ. The name is, they can sense touch from the help of sensory papillae. They sense taste with the help of taste buds. They sense smell with the help of nasal epithelium, and they can sense vision with the help of their eyes. And last is, they can sense hearing because the help of tympanum ear. They have tympanum ears, guys. All right or not? Clear guys? So this is all for now. That's all for now guys. We will meet in our next video, and we explain this thing, male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. So guys, thank you, thanks a lot, and please subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. Keep smiling and revise. Okay, revision. Now thank you.